Yeah, we've been here for a minute now. And shit, with all the carbon fiber. This is what's going on the IS.
I don't know how to fucking take this shit off.
It's so fucking weird, dude.
Yeah. Well, I just saw a video and he said this definitely comes out, but he didn't show us how to take it off. Hey, Daddy. Oh yeah, fuck me.
You're fucking ugly, kid.
I got it.
Did you?
Yeah.
You didn't break it either?
No, I didn't.
Sick. John's grabbing me a fucking chest mount. All right. I feel this is how dogs feel. So weird.
Put a leash on him.
Nah, no leash for Kevin. Wow, this thing is ashy.
Dude, how do we get it through?
I think we have to either we
You
can
no,
from
just
here.
pull the hose off of the clip.
Yeah.
It's just a rubber hose that goes over like a.
You're just gonna leak a little, but it's okay.
Keeps.
Alright.
I don't know if the camera's aiming at my hand, but
Just
my finger's getting wet.
alright.
Hey! Yo, smell it.
Why? Yeah. Alright.
And then, what, did it just slide right off? Oh! Alright, so I'm gonna see if I could find the magic tools.
What?
Ah! Where the fuck is my 12? Yes.
Okay, right? No overtime today. Oh shit. You got it? Yeah.
I love carbon fiber. I'm like a crackhead.
Oh yeah.
You look like you're molesting it.
I am molesting you.
How's the line over here? Good?
Yeah, it's pretty. I'd say the spacing might be
It looks pretty
Yeah.
even.
pretty. Alright, it's a little tighter over here.
There's so much carbon.
I think my cousins, when they watch this, they can agree that vents are for ricers. He's a ricer.
Fuck, dude, this shit is dope.
I'm a ricer.
I'm a fan. I'm a big fan.
John's gonna become a ricer. He's hanging out with the wrong people.
That's.
I dig it, dude. And then you have your carbon fiber here. I need to expose. Oh, here we go. I wanted to expose.
Stop.
Expose. Let's go expose John now. It's okay. I have something too. Mine is. Yeah. Oh.
Alright, let's take it out after and do it.
Yeah, so we just unbolt these a little bit so they're loose.
Yeah.
And then we just
Push it to the.
Just put it closer to me.
Oh, this one was very nice and loose.
Yeah, it sounds good.
So we just push it towards Ant. What are you smiling for?
I don't know why I said it in my face.
It's not. You're like, your head's mad small. That fucking, I don't know how to say it. My words are broken.
Yeah.
Alright, yeah.
Alright. The bolt's over here. Yeah. Yeah, they don't hook or anything, they just go right in.
Never write a check you can't deposit.
Our fingers are touching. This is intimate.
It's really hot.
Our fingers are.
You got a trunk, bro.
But
For real,
It's not
fucker.
lip though.
That's true.
I look back. Oh damn! Look at that butt, dude. I can't. How do you not like that butt? With the freaking.
Hold on. That
sunlight.
fucking diffuser. I just want to get it on camera and see where the fuck it stabbed me. Just 3 Chinese guys rubbing a carbon fiber lip. This is. It's so tedious and it's so fucking hot out.
Sean, get your son to help us. Try to like the law. It's like it's not trying to like the law. It's your daddy telling you.
You listen to me.
You want McDonald's? You want McDonald's?
Why? John doesn't even talk like that. What's wrong with
I don't
you?
know, I'm sorry.
I have to make a little fucking palm.
That's my dad, actually. I'm sorry. That's what my dad saw.
Yo,
You want McDonald's?
this is like some fucking lady in the chat shit, right? What?
Oh,
Why you smiling, bro?
it's so hot, dude.
You're getting too
I can't
happy.
think right now. Alright, you finish it. Alright.
Hey, you didn't even do shit. I just
Dude,
took off
I got-
this whole.
what are you
I just took off this whole thing,
Oh,
guy.
okay.
You left it on there. Yo, you're not even rubbing. You're rubbing my finger. Fucking weirdo. Oh, dude, that's lit. Too much.
That's way better. Cannot.
You're stupid. I don't like you.
Cannot.
You're not talking anymore.
It ain't a canard, it's a cannot.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.